try to keep my hand over it so it's not as bad. Just working on the L8, the 66 L8. I got some battery hold downs from Napa. Just as you saw in the last video, everything was rattling off, so I need to hold that down. I replaced my throttle cable, my throttle lever, just because it was just a train wreck. Had to replace, what else did I do? I had to adjust the chain, had to replace the fan belt, and the one kicking around. I'll have to order some more. And then I drained the gas last week, so last week it was seemed rough, so what I'm going to try to do is throw some fresh gas in it, which I just got today, and I already checked spark's good, so hoping. Last time it was just just some flooded and bad gas, that why I couldn't get it started after the video stopped. So I'm going to just wrap some things up here, throw some gas in, and give it a try. Right, I was about to throw gas in it, and I'm like, oh, let me just check. Like, I drained it last week, so I said, okay, let me just check to see if there's any crud at the bottom. And lo and behold, there was. I'm not going to try to show you because the camera's just not going to see it, but when I shine the flashlight in there, I could see some little bit of rust and I don't know, something other junk in there. So I'm just going to vac it out quick, and hopefully I get it all out. So let me just grab the flashlight and take a look in and see if it's okay. Well, actually you can see. There we go. It actually works well. There's the inside of the tank. Not bad. Not rust. Missed some stuff. I'll have to go back in and get some of that. But yeah, see the little bit of junk right there? Need to vac some more of that out. So yeah, this actually worked pretty good.